Right.
I would say just don't think twice, start preparing for mains. And obviously, once the result come, people who haven't cleared, they can spread out their preparation up until December or whatever. I think the advice to both will be that start preparing for mains. I mean, there is no point dwelling over the fact. I think up until results come.
What is your advice to two types of students here? One, they feel like they are clearing prelims. So they will be clearing prelims also, assuming that way. So what should be your advice to those who are writing this year mains examination? Number one. Number two, those who cannot clear or could not clear this prelims examination, who would be writing for next year 2026 examination. So what would be your advice for them? One who clears, one who cannot clear.
I think the advice to both will be that start preparing for mains. I mean, there is no point dwelling over the fact. I think up until results come, everyone should expect that they can clear. I would say so.
Right.
Because
Okay.
the thing is, the way my prelims went, the way result came,
Huh.
I mean, it's a miracle. So you should just be confident that it will be cleared, even if it doesn't. What's next? Prelims is done. You have time up until next year, even if you're not clearing. This is
Right.
the time to prepare for your mains so that you
Right.
don't fumble when
Hmm.
you clear it next year, right? So I would say that just take a few days break. I think 25th was the exam, maybe another day or two from Monday. Point. You should start your mains preparation. I think first you should go about solidifying and consolidating your optional, and after that you start progressing paper by paper. So
Right.
I would say just don't think twice, start preparing for mains. And obviously, once the result come, people who haven't cleared, they can spread out their preparation up until December or whatever, and
Right.
just try to finish this off one in one go.
Yes, 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 yes. Now, I would rather say like Asta is a miracle girl. So many miracles happened with Asta for the last 1 year. So
Definitely, I would
how?
say that
Yeah,
a
yeah.
lot of things worked in my favor. I would not deny that.
Mm,
Uh, but yeah, I would also not underestimate the fact that there has to be. I personally feel that hard work is in this preparation is over glorified. I mean,
mm,
you need to work hard, but you don't just need to work hard. You need to be smart
right,
in that hard work. There has to be a combination of hard work and smart work here.
right.
Because if you just keep your head down and start studying and reading whatever is thrown in front of you, then it will be really difficult to clear it, right? So
Right.
I think I played it smart. Definitely
Mm,
not a conventional way to go about things, but
mm,
when circumstances are such, you need to make some changes in your preparation accordingly. Yeah, not underestimating the luck factor or whatever,
mm.
but